How's everybody else? Wish I could walk in.
I understand.
Gotta take it how it comes, though.
I hear you.
Oh, you locked me up? Oh, okay. Okay.
Got me.
No, that's a big thing to do. Just going back. It's okay, send you back.
We ready?
I'm still gonna stay on the case and stuff, but that's why you have to see how I'm trying to get stuff.
Hey, not seeing no sports right now. It's killing me. Slow torture.
All right, Your Honor, thank you. This is State of Wisconsin versus Darrell Brooks, case 20 CF 2550. Appearances?
State appears by Jacob Core. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Attorney Robert Hampton appears with Attorney William Rakestraw with Mr. Brooks. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. We are on the calendar today for a status hearing. Mr. Brooks' case was last in court on November 17th for a pretrial hearing. At one point, we did have a December 12th trial date in the matter. That was postponed to give the parties, I think the state needed some additional time at that point, so we were set for status. I did have a conversation with the lawyers in chambers before we went on the record today. My understanding of the parties' positions is that at this point, there's not a resolution in this matter, but there's also not been a decision by either party that this can't be resolved, and that Mr. Cord needed to conduct some additional follow-up and would then confirm an offer to Mr. Brooks and his counsel, and then Mr. Brooks could decide whether he wished to accept that. We also did discuss that at some point Mr. Brooks may be making a request to proceed pro se on this matter, but I think the discussion we had was that we would hold off on that and set a scheduling status date to see if the parties can reach a resolution. resolution, and then if they can't, the court would need to address that issue as to representation. Does that accurately capture what we talked about, Mr. Corr?
Yes.
Mr. Hampton?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is that acceptable to Mr. Brooks today?
Yes, sir.
All right. So my thought would be we'll go out about 30 days, and at that point, if the parties are able to reach a resolution, great. If not, we'll put this back on the trial calendar, and then we'll have a discussion as to representation.
March 23rd at 1:30.
Works for me.
At 1:30?
Yes, 1:30.
One second.
That's fine for the state.
Hold on 1 second. Okay, all right, March 23rd at 1:30. Yes, I'm already here. Well, no, I'm here early, I'm later that day, but 1:30 is fine, yeah.
All right. The next hearing is scheduled for March 23rd at 1:30 for a status conference. That hearing will be held in person in room 113 of the safety building.
All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Corr. Anything else we need to address today?
Yes, thank you.
Mr. Hampton?
Nothing, Your Honor.
All right, thank you very much. Mr. Brooks, I'll tell you what I tell everybody who lives here. Stay safe and try and make good decisions.
You too, Your Honor.
Thank you.
All right, good to see you again. Well, I'm going to have us do the exact same thing. Okay. Yeah, so, yeah, see you a second over there. Okay.
See you in a bit.
All right, and Mr. Hampton, I think you have another one, right?
Is that through today? Oh, no, hold on a second. I looked at my calendar, I forgot which was which today.
I think you have Mr. Purtle. And off the record, Mr. Rakestraw, are you going to be continuing, or are you?
No,
Okay.